off the supercharger. No spinning of the superchargers. That's not where the sound is coming from. That's in some kind of vacuum leak. Gauge is holding steady. Vacuum not acting funny. RPM's not acting funny. What the hell's wrong? And now let's listen to it when I turn it off. And there you go. What the hell is going on?